In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to buy data on Opay app. So it's kind of like very easy to buy Opay, but then if you don't know how to do that, I can actually walk you through in this video. So all you just have to do, just log into your Opay app. Then the next thing you want to do, just click on data. As you can see, data right here. So under the data, you can actually select from one network to another. So let's say you want to buy MTN data, for example. So you're gonna see different data plan right here, from odd to daily to weekly to monthly to 2 month to 3 month. You can see to 6 months to 1 year. All right, so there are different options right there depending on the one you want. So just select the best one that suits you. Then you can provide your phone number at the top right here. Then you select the best plan you want to buy. So let's say 7 gig for 2000, for example. Recheck. Then this number is not MTN, it's 9 mobile, so sorry. So weekly plan 7,000, 7 days, 7 gig, 1,500 naira. Then click on it. Then it's gonna take you to a page. So check out and pay. Then you'll be able to buy data on Opay successfully without any issue.